Good morning students. This is Basha Maths faculty. For 9th class students, okay, we discussed rational numbers and irrational numbers. Today we will discuss few problems regarding rational and irrational numbers. Zero point 0.36. Okay, 0.36, this is in decimal form. We will convert into rational number like a form of P by Q. Decimal point after how many values are there? 2 values. Okay, see, for this very easy way is what is the number? Decimal point after 36. 36 by decimal point after how many values will be? That many zeros coming in denominator. So 36 by 100. 36 by 100. See, is there possible cancellation? Because of properties of rational numbers, there possible cancellation we should do, otherwise that is in simplest form. Here possible cancellation, see, 2 1 jar, 2 8 jar, 2 50 jar, 2 25 jar, 2 9 jar. So is equal 9 by 25. 9 by 25. Again possible cancellation we should do, but here not possible cancellation. In any fraction or in any rational number, there not possible cancellation, that is in simplest form, otherwise that is in standard form. We will take one more example here. 15.4. 15.4. 15.4 is equal, first of all we will write total number 154. Instead of decimal point we will keep 1. After that how many values will be? That many zeros coming. How many values will be? That many zeros coming. Here what we done, see, first of all number written 36. Because of decimal point we written 1. After decimal point 2 values will be, so in denominator 2 zeros came. Here also like that only. Total number written 154. After, because of decimal point 1, after how many values will be? 1. So 1 0. Is there possible cancellation? Should do with 2 jar, see, 2 5 jar, 2 7 jar, 2 7 jar. So 77 by 5. 77 by 5. There possible, still more possible cancellation we should do. Now not possible cancellation. So that is in simplest form, or that is in standard form. In rational numbers or in fractions, there possible cancellation we should do. Not possible cancellation, that is in simplest form. Say 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. Already before also we told rational numbers are 2 types. Terminating decimal, second one non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. 0.5 bar means we are taking x is equal to 0.5 bar means 5 is repeating. Already before also we discussed about this. We got here 1 by 11 is equal to 0.090909 and so on. Instead of that we written like this 0.09 bar. Under the bar how many values will be? That values are repeating. Like that only here also 0.5 bar means that 5 is repeating. 0.5, 5, 5 and so on. We are taking this value as equation number 1. After that we will multiply how many values are repeating, we will multiply with that. So here, because of decimal point 1, after how many values are repeating, 1 only repeating, so we will multiply with 10. For example, this value we should convert into rational numbers, means we will multiply with 100. Why? After decimal point, how many values will be 100? How many values are repeating? 2 values are repeating. Here 1 value only repeating. So instead of decimal point 1, after 0. 10 into x, 10x. 10 into x, 10x is equal to, at the time of multiplication, this decimal point is going to right side. At the time of division, the decimal point is going left side. At the time of multiplication, decimal point left side to right side going. So this is moving left side to right side. Here will be. So 0, 5.555 and so on. 0 left side is there also, not there also, there is no value. So 5.555 and so on. So we are taking this equation number 2. We will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. We will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. Then we will get 10x is equal to 5.555 and so on. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1, x is equal to 0.555 and so on. Subtract, we will do subtract. Then 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. Here decimal point is there, should keep decimal point. 5 minus 0, 5 only. 5 is equal to 10x minus x. 10x minus x, 9x. 10x minus x, 9x. So we got here 9x is equal to 5. Why? After decimal point, how many zeros will be? There is no value. So here 9x is equal to 5. Here multiplication, there going means division. Okay. Here multiplication, there going means division. In equations, we know plus before is equal to, here plus addition, there going means subtraction. Here subtraction minus, there going means plus. These two opposite. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Minus there going means plus. Like that only. Multiplication there going means division. Division there going means multiplication. Into there going means divided by. Divided by there going means multiplication. Multiplication. So two opposite. Addition, opposite to addition symbol there going means subtraction. Subtraction there going means addition. Like that only. Multiplication there going means division. Division they are going means multiplication. Because of that here into they are going means divided by. X is equal to 5 by 9. 5 divided by 9. 5 divided by 9 nothing but 5 by 9. 5 by 9. So look like here 0.5 bar. This is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. We converted into rational number 5 by 9. Okay. This is the method, one of the method, and see very easy way is there because of some theorems are there. Very easily we will convert into rational numbers. Now see here 0.5 bar, write the under bar number 5. Decimal point after how many values are there? Under the bar 1 is there, so by 9. So we got the answer. Same like that only. For example, 0.3 bar is equal to, because of that 3, here what is the number will be? 3 by under the bar how many values? That many 9s. So 3 by 9. 3 by 9 possible cancellation. 3 1s are 3 3s are 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay, one value means like this. Maybe 2 values. What we will do? 2 values coming means 0.13. 0.13 is equal, which values are repeating? 13 repeating. 0.13 bar means 0.13. So 13 by how many values repeating? 2 repeating. So 13 by 99. 13 by 99. You want means I said one process for you. Given the value 0.13 should take as equation number 1 and we will multiply with 100. Why? Because under the bar 2 values are there. After that subtraction equation number 1 from equation number 2, then we will get this answer only. Next say this is for 2 values. You want means 0.445. Under the bar how many values are there? 3 values are repeating. So 445. 445. Which numbers are repeating? 3 values repeating. 4445 by 999. Why? How many values are repeating? 3 values are repeating. Okay, we will take one more example here. 0.127 bar. 27 bar. 0.127 bar. See here what we will do? Here some little bit different will be. Why here 0.127 bar? First of all we will convert using that method. What we took to see, after that I will say shortcut for you. X is equal 0.127 and so on. Equation number 1. We will multiply with 100 here. We will multiply with 100 here. Why? How many values are repeating? 2 values are repeating. So we will multiply 100. 100 into x. 100x is equal to, this decimal point is going to left side to right side. 2 values. So 12.727 and so on. This is, we should take as equation number 2. We should subtract equation 1 from equation number 2. Then we will get answer. 100x is equal to 12.727 and so on. Equation number 1, x is equal to 0.12727 and so on. We will do subtraction here. 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 7 0, here 0, here 6, 12 minus 0 12 only, 12.6. 100x minus x 99x. 99x is equal to 12.6. 99x is equal to 12.6. Already we discussed multiplication, there going means division. So x is equal to 12.6 by 99. 12.6 by 99. Then see, very easy way is given number should write first. Given number 127. Shortcut. Given number 127. Under the bar how many values are there? 2 are there. except these two values, how many values are there? One is there. Subtract that number. Okay, under the bar two values are there, and except that two numbers, which number is there? One is there, so subtract that number. And under the bar how many values will be? That many nines. That many nines. 127 minus 1, 126 by 99. 126 by 99. 126. Here decimal point after how many values are there? 1 is there. So right side to keeping. Here decimal point after 1 value is there. So 12.6 by 99. This is the process. This is the shortcut. Okay, like that. So many non-terminating and repeating decimals are there. Very easy to write, very easy to convert into rational numbers. For example, for us dot getting, say 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal for us dot getting. 4 by 5 is a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. Because of that doubt, what we are doing? We are doing division. No need to do division. Very easily we should say that is a terminating or non-terminating. See, I am saying first of all without doing division, I am saying this is a terminating decimal. This is a terminating decimal. This is a terminating decimal. Okay, we will see first of all possible or not. Now not possible. We will keep 0.5 40. Remainder came 0. Remainder 0 came means terminating. Remainder 0 came means terminating. Without division, which like we should say here, see the denominator. In the denominator, either 2 or 5. Either 2 or 5 or both will be. In any rational number, the denominator, see the denominator, either 2 or 5 or both will be. That is a terminating decimal. Except 2 and 5. Except 2 and 5. Otherwise, only 1 5, extra 5, any other number is there. Only 2, with that any other number is there. Then those are called non-terminating and repeating decimals. Non-terminating and repeating decimals. Okay, see, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is a terminating or non-terminating. Now only we told what we told in a rational number. We want a denominator either 2 or 5. Either 2 or 5 or both. Either 2 or 5 or both will be. Those are terminating decimals. Here see the denominator. Here 3 will be. So this is a non-terminating and repeating decimal or recurring decimals. Non-terminating and recurring decimals are repeating decimals. Okay, see, we will check once with the 3s, 3 2s, 6. Remainder 1. Should keep here decimal point 0. 3 3s, 9. 1. Again decimal point is there 0. 3 3s, 9. Remainder 1. Decimal point will be 0. 3 3s, 9. Remainder 1. Okay, like that doing means so. Okay, see, like that whole day we are doing also, we are not getting remainder as 0. Always 2.3333 and so on coming. So we are writing 2.3 bar. 2.3 bar. So this is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. Okay, thank you students.